Good morning, boys and girls. Today is April 28th, 2020. I am having a meeting very early this morning at 6 a.m. Pacific time, and some of you may have been at that meeting before you even had a chance to open this because it was so early. But let's get started with our day. Sixes. You are going to be reading a story and answering some questions in short, complete answers. You're going to be reviewing your 3D and 2D shapes, getting ready for your test on your unit. Sevens, you're going to be seeing a rhyming video, and then you are going to work on your own rhyming poem. You have a grammar page or two grammar pages to work on, one A to Z story, and then you are going to be working on finding the difference between the length of two objects in math class today. So I hope that you're ready for a great day of learning, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day.